First of all, we are going to tie all the flowers into a bunch. Then bend up the end of all flower rods. Take this lining paper that's folded in half and then cut it in half. Then cut it in half again. Take a piece of this red wrapping paper which is also folded in half. Make the paper a length about 3 centimeters longer than the top and the bottom of the bouquet. Then cut it in half. Stagger the lining paper just a little bit on top of the red wrapping paper like this. Put the bouquet up there and then pull the paper from the sides to the center. Then tie it up with tape. Take a half sheet of lining paper and fold it in half. And then cut it into 2 pieces. Fold it in half and stagger it a little bit like this. Pull the lower part from the sides to the middle. Put it in front of the bouquet. Do not cover the flowers. You can overlap it a little bit in the middle and then tie up with tape. Take out a half sheet of lining paper and split it into 2 pieces. Put it on the left side of this bouquet about the same height as the lining paper and flush with the bottom edge. Paint some folds in the paper by hand. Then attach it on. Tie another one onto the right side in the same way. Put the bouquet on top of the ribbon, right in the middle. Tie a bow knot like this. It can be about the size of the bouquet. Cut the end of the ribbon at an angle. The bouquet is completed.